CachyOS versus Linux Mint, the ultimate Linux performance and game battle. So let's talk about CachyOS. It's a performance beast. It has custom optimized kernel, it uses newer disk, drivers, and it benchmarks shows 3 to 10% of higher FPS versus Windows 11 in many games. It's better 1% lows, which means smoother gameplay. It has a built-in gaming tweaks. In short, it has more FPS, smoother gameplay, especially on modern AMD GPU. Linux Mint is also good enough. It uses older, stable kernel plus drivers, and the difference is often small unless you want maximum optimization. If we talk about the raw performance, then CachyOS is system-wise optimizations like CPU instruction, tuning, and it feels faster when app launches and lower latency, whereas Linux Mint is stable but less aggressive optimizations, slightly slower but more predictable. If we talk about the ease of use and stability, then Linux Mint wins here because it is extremely beginner friendly and it has minimal breakage and GUI first, which is no terminal needed. And if we talk about the CachyOS, then it's easier than Arch, but still rolling release, occasional breakage, and requires troubleshooting mindset. If we talk about the hardware compatibility, then CachyOS benefits from cutting-edge kernel plus drivers, whereas Mint may lag but is more flexible. You can choose CachyOS if you want maximum FPS and if you enjoy tweaking, experimenting, and if you have modern hardware. It's one of the few Linux distros that can even beat Windows in some games. And you can choose Linux Mint if you want zero headaches or if you're new to the Linux and if you want just games plus apps to work. It has more stability than performance. So in simple way, if you're a normal user like student or beginner, Linux Mint is best. But if you are a hardcore gamer enthusiast, then you can use CachyOS. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.